Let's verify that d4, d to the fourth, annihilates 10x cubed minus 2x. And we did this on a previous video. So let's take a derivative, and that puts us down to 3 derivatives. And that would be 30x squared minus 2. And now let's go again, and that'll give me 60x. And then let's go again. The derivative of 60x is 60. And what's the derivative of 60? 0. It works. Now look at example number 2. Let's distribute the 4e to the 1/2 x. So that would be 2d times a 4e to the 1/2 x minus, because you're multiplying times -1 now, minus 4e to the 1/2 x. Well, this d means take the derivative. So that's going to be a 2 times, it's d the first, so we're only taking one derivative. What is the derivative of 4e to the 1/2 x? Well, that will give me 2e to the 1/2 x. In this second term, 4e to the 1/2 x, there are no differential operators, so you just bring it down. So you have 4e to the 1/2 x minus 4e to the 1/2 x, and what's that give me? 0. Remember, L of f of x equals 0 is what we're trying to find. All right, next example, find a linear independent function or functions that are annihilated by the given differential operator. So d squared minus 4d, first thing you should do to find these functions is factor out the d, and that gives you a d plus 4. All right, what made you write a d? Okay, it's that is d to the first power annihilates what? It annihilates any constant. I'm just going to put a 1 down. You can think of that 1 as 1x to the 0. Remember, it's d to the n, and the n is always 1 more than the exponent on your variable. So any constant, d will annihilate any constant. So 1 is one of my functions. Where does d plus 4 come from? That makes me think of your 3 patterns, your 3 operator patterns. D plus 4 makes me think of, this is going back to the first video, and that makes me think of d minus alpha to the n. So d plus 4, where did that come from? That was the second case, and you had to have e's involved, and that would be e. Remember, it was, as I said, it's d minus alpha, so it would be e to the -4x. Because if you were to go back and find the differential operator, it would be d minus a minus 4. So my 2 linear independent functions are 1 and e -4x. But once again, that 1 can be any constant.